almost half of the world's population has little to no access to diagnostic testing. If you're one of these people and you're sick with a fever and you go to the doctor might guess that you've got malaria and start you on treatment right away. It's not because they've tested for malaria and they know that's what's making you sick, and it's not dengue or typhoid, which can also cause fever, but it's because you need treatment now and the doctor can't wait the days that it might take for a lab result to come back. But if you actually don't have malaria, then the treatment you're being given isn't helping to clear your infection, so you're still sick, and this isn't the best patient outcome. This is why diagnostic testing for infectious diseases is so important. And we have good diagnostic tests available, but if the results aren't ready when and where the doctor needs them to make decisions, then we can't help the patients in the best way possible. And this is the focus of my PhD, to make diagnostic testing for infectious diseases more accessible for people. And so one way we can do this is by taking the lab test from the lab and taking it to the site of patient care, and that's called point of care testing. And so how many times have you been waiting for a result for something? Be it a uni exam, which team's going to be in the grand final, or even what happens next on your favourite TV show. With point of care testing, there is no cliffhanger. It's quick, convenient, with results available right when you need them, in minutes rather than hours or days like laboratory tests. And this time frame makes it easier for doctors to make decisions so they can help their patients get better faster. And so in my PhD, I'm starting by understanding the landscape of point of care testing in Australia. By understanding what's happening now and the barriers faced by those doing it, we can think about ways to make it easier to do point of care testing, so we can scale up to make it more widely available around Australia. But we know that for healthcare workers to feel confident and comfortable using point of care testing, they need to know that the results are accurate and reliable, like they know laboratory results are. And so I'm going to design ways to evaluate the quality and performance of point of care tests that can be applied in Australia and in low and middle income settings. And lastly, while we have lots of point of care tests available on the market, we know that there's room for improvement. And I'm going to evaluate a new kind of point of care test that looks for multiple infectious diseases at the same time. And this helps us differentiate what infection might be causing a common symptom, like a fever. So taken together, my PhD is exploring new ways to diagnose infectious diseases, with the goal that people will have access to safe, affordable and reliable, quick point of care testing to help people diagnose their infection right from the start with a point of care test. Thank you.